the other cultural shift that has to happen is we have to overcome clericalism, right? And clericalism is not the direct active force that we sometimes think it is happening over there. It's much more of a passive phenomenon in which it's very rare that some cleric says, those people shouldn't be in the room. It doesn't occur to them to have those people in the room. That's how clericalism works. It doesn't occur to them. And yet what we know from our experience in all of this is who is in the room when the decision is made is absolutely critical. Not because the people who are in the room are necessarily going to care or not care about the welfare of children. We can, I think, presume that most people do. But we all have blind spots. We all have different experiences. We all bring different things to the table. You know, when there are parents in the room and these decisions are being made, you're going to get a different kind of input, right? So overcoming the culture of clericalism, and that also requires us, those among us who are not clerics, you all, to examine how clericalism plays out among the laity, right? And because if we're going to overcome this crisis, then everyone has to claim their rightful place in the church.